I'm Brady.
Hi, I'm Bo.
And this is Dawgfeed.
First up, we interviewed some Forinsicators.
Forensics is competitive acting and speaking. Wednesday.
Mixed state.
Mixed state.
Qualifiers.
State. Making semifinals. With Erica.
Going to state last year with Cammie.
Standing on a chair in IDA and singing.
My favorite memory was at state when we got, who was it? Danny, the toilet seat, and we all signed the toilet seat.
Yeah, we all signed it.
Be yourself.
If you sign up to go and you have a partner, make sure you go. Don't leave them to hang.
Memorize your guns.
Practice in front of Miss T.
You never have as much time as you think you do. Take constructive criticism.
Next, we have some fun with the winter royalty candidates.
You got it!
Dirty dance.
I'll say anyway.
Okay.
I guess. Shop.
That counts, right?
No. Counts. Of course, what? Bye. Of course. Without. Basketball.
Oh.
How many sports does
Already.
Greg, I need you. I know what this is.
Miss T. Two. He has two. Friday Night Lights. That's a football one. What do you put? I'm ready.
Olive Garden.
That was my guess.
Chicken nuggets.
How many years have you gone to Rossville?
I like that question. That's
6. Oh, is it Fortnite?
Wow.
Well, I guess.
There's more rings.
Green Bay Packers.
And finally, we went bowling with scholars.
Hi, I'm Joe McGrath, and welcome to Bowling with the Scholars with my assistant, Zach Archer. Tonight's contestants are Trevor Cunningham from Rossville Junior Senior High School. The next contestant, coming from Rossville Junior Senior High School, is Sydney Wannell.
Captain.
And fresh out of town from Rossville Junior Senior High School, Dylan Recheck. The rules of the game are simple. Answer a question, get it right, score a point. We'll start with Trevor Cunningham. Trevor, name the British Prime Minister who served during most of World War II.
Winston Churchill?
That's the right answer. Zach, how many tones is that?
0.
And the next contestant, Sydney Wannell. In chemistry, name the formula term which represents the smallest possible ratio.
Stoichiometry.
Wrong. Correct answer is empirical formula. And our next contestant, Dylan Recheck. What colonial document first proposed majority rule which later became a part of the American system of the government?
Common sense.
Nope. The right answer is Mayflower Compact. Our score total after the first round go to Zach. Back to our first contestant, Trevor Cunningham. What U.S. president wrote books entitled The Winning of the West, Game Trails, and Rough Riders?
Teddy Roosevelt.
He's got the right answer. Good job. Zach, how many pins is that?
8.
And to our second contestant, Sydney 1L, what term describes the deliberate attempt to annihilate a whole people based upon racial, ethnic, religious, cultural, economic, or political factors?
Genocide.
That's the right answer. Let's roll. Zach, how many pins is that?
5.
And for our third contestant, Dylan Recheck. The maximum number of electrons that can be found in the outer shell of all noble gases is what?
8.
Correct. Let's roll it. Zach, how many pins is that?
10.
Boom! A perfect shot! And Zach, what is our final score for the night?
Thanks for watching. Have a doggone good day.
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Brody.
Stop it.
Oh, God.